post surf. We have a new little hobby. We just went with some friends. It was really fun.
Smile for the YouTube video.
Bye.
Bye.
As you guys know, I'm on my surfing journey. So we just went. It was so fun and literally just the best way to start the day. I've been in the ocean a lot, so I'm trying to, you know, take care of my skin, my hair. Just sprayed some leave-in conditioner, and then in the shower I use this Shu Uemura. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but it's the ultimate reset hair mask. It smells so good. It kind of smells like Japanese botanicals, but it smells really, really good. Honestly, I've kind of given up on the whole idea of like having a hair wash schedule at this point because that just would not work. Anyway, it's been really fun nurturing this new hobby that I have, and I'm slowly starting, well, actually, I wouldn't say that quite yet, but I'm definitely getting more comfortable. Hopefully, you know, over time I'll get better, but I'm honestly having so much fun. We went with friends today, which was really nice. So yeah, it's kind of been fun to incorporate that into my life, going with my dad and sister, which is literally the best. And then Micah and I have just started going together, which is so fun. Still definitely, you know, a newbie, but having lots of fun. Gonna vlog my journey, vlog hopefully my progress. I don't think I ever properly started this vlog, so hello. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, you know the drill. I'm just gonna vlog my day. We're gonna hang out. We went grocery shopping this morning because I'm making a new recipe tonight, which I'm very excited about. My sister sent it to me. It's like a turkey meatloaf Thai curry coconut sauce type of thing. We might modify, well, I think we're gonna modify the recipe a little bit, but I'm really excited to make it. I've been trying to be more in my, you know, chef era, make some new things. Definitely been into like baking a lot, but I also wanna cook some new dinners too. But right now we are heading to my parents' house. My grandparents from New York have been here for the last 2 weeks and they leave tomorrow, which I'm really sad about, but we're having like a little goodbye lunch. So the whole fam will be there from both sides, which will be really nice. So yeah, we're having a little family afternoon. I really like my outfit today. It's kind of cute. It's this little like scarf top, but yeah, it's gonna be a nice little day. We just got back from our walk. We've been having like, oh, I love our night routine recently. We've been working out and going on an evening walk, and then we'll like make dinner, which has been really, really nice. So I'm gonna make that recipe I was talking about. It's supposed to look like this if everything goes to plan, but honestly, for me, the biggest like goal is to just make good food. I'm not really worried about the presentation yet. I'm not at that level yet. I'll link it down below if you wanna try it. We are substituting the ground turkey for ground beef because we didn't have turkey, but should still be really good. I'm really excited. So you make the Thai turkey meatballs and then the coconut curry, and you can put it over like rice or noodles, I guess. I don't know, whatever you want. So anyway, I'm excited to make this. Maybe add a new recipe to my repertoire. Taste test. I'm very excited. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, that's really good. Yay.
Good job.
Thank you. Double thumbs up. Yay. Another morning of surfing. It's just us two. This time I'm really excited. Hoping to get some more good practice in. My dad's been letting us borrow his boards, so Mike can like test it out, and then I think you're gonna find yourself one. But yeah, my dad's been letting me use his board, which is so nice. So generous to share. But yeah, I've been really liking it. I've been on a 9.9. What other details do I know? It's a single fin. I don't know if that means anything to you. Let's go surfing. Shall be fun.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
What a day. We just finished surfing. We were out there for like an hour and a half. It was so nice. It was the most perfect day. The conditions were so nice. There was no wind. The report said 2 to 3, but there were some they were a little bit bigger. We had so much fun because it's a Tuesday. There's like not a lot of people there, so it was all around just the best day ever. Yeah, got some sun, got some more practice in, so feeling good. Back home, I wanted to give a little backyard update because you guys know we're kind of in the process of getting the patio in order. The rock wall is completely done, so that's super nice. It, as you can see, it's just so beautiful. It looks so good. So I'm really happy to have that done. And we finally got ourselves the most beautiful outdoor dining set. It's from Article, so I wanted to say thanks Article for sponsoring this video. They're a brand that I love and trust so much for all of my furniture, decor needs. They have so many cute things. This is the Merrill Bronze Teak dining table for 6, and it's extendable, so we have the leaf in it right now. And yeah, it's been so nice actually being able to like host out here, have this nice dining set. I feel like it just looks so good out here. Whether you want to decorate your room, maybe you live in a dorm or your apartment, your home, whatever it is, Article has so many things to choose from and so many styles, which I love. So if you're going for more of a modern look, contemporary, boho, Scandi, mid-century modern, they truly have it all. I would definitely scour through their website because there's so many good finds on there. The craftsmanship of everything we've ever gotten from Article is just so good, and you can tell that their designers are very intentional. Their customer care is great. Honestly, I've just had the best experience with them all around. Plus, they offer fast and affordable shipping across the US and Canada. So if you're looking for some new pieces, maybe you want to just like change up your design in your house a little bit, you want to get some new pieces, Article is actually offering $50 off your first purchase of $100 or more. You can click the QR code on the screen, or you can go to the link in my bio. The next project that I'm hoping to do soon, I've just been kind of lazy. I've talked about it a lot, but I want to get rid of this red wall. I know I've seen comments, people are like, I really like the red. Personally, no, it's not what I would choose. I did this little test patch that you can see. It's the same green that I painted the inside of our door, and I think it's really nice. Might test out a few other shades because it kind of like, I don't know what you think. Maybe like could go lighter, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do a bigger test swatch, but I definitely want to get the red painted because it's a lot of red. Also got this cute green, sage green tablecloth to kind of just keep on it for when we have guests, but also it just protects from the sun. Honestly, it looks pretty cute. It's waterproof, easy to clean. And then this little tray is from Amazon. I really liked the design. And then just a citronella candle for bugs. So that's the patio progress. I'll keep you updated. And then in terms of the backyard, still very much in the works. It's been kind of hard having all this dirt because it's dusty, and if it's, you know, gets wet, it's muddy, but hoping to, fingers crossed, get the cement sidewalks put in soon, get some grass plugs, and get the grass back to how it was, because prior to the wall getting built, the grass was so beautiful. So we're trying to restore the backyard better than the way it was before construction started. But yeah, that's what the yard is looking like. Let me know how much you do or don't care about these like progress updates, because I don't know if that's interesting for you guys. But yeah, I just thought I'd share some of the updates that we have going on. tonight. 10 out of 10. It was so good. Micah made this watercress salad that he got from the station. So shout out to the station for that recipe. It was so good. It was romaine lettuce, watercress, tofu, daikon, tegu, onions, just a ton of stuff, like sesame dressing. It was so good. And then I made this salmon recipe that I've had for a while from my mom. So that was a very good dinner. I'm also kind of realizing that I don't even know if you guys have ever seen my room from this point of view, because the window's right there, and so I'm always filming like this way. So I don't film this way because it would be super backlit and you wouldn't be able to see me, but new angle unlocked. This is what this side of my room looks like. I almost thought about not doing this unboxing, but I'm going to do it. I have a bit of a Jellycat obsession going on. I don't know where this sprouted from. It's essentially like literally stuffed animals, and you're probably like, why are you buying that at the ripe age of almost 24? Mind your business. I actually did get one for Maisie though, so that inspired this purchase. This is what I got for her. It's a little pink bunny and it's so cute. I don't think she'll like quite appreciate this right now, because right now she's like 5-ish months old, and so she's really into like the stimulating toys, you know, touch stimulation, visual stimulation. But I think one day she will really like this, and I just thought it was so cute. So that's for her. This one is not for me. But then as I was buying this one, I saw the Christmas collection. I got 3. They're for the bed to decorate it when it's Christmas time. We got this cute little gingerbread house, this snowman, and this cup of hot chocolate. It's cute, right? So anyway, I'm slowly building up stock for decorating for the holidays. I guess you can never be quite too early. I'm also just really wanting to do the most because I have a whole house that I can decorate. So obviously, since it's like my first year living in a house, getting to decorate, I'm gonna go crazy. So yeah, anyway, I needed to speak my truth on this. I do indeed love stuffed animals. I love a Wednesday. Today is a Wednesday. I wanted to make this vlog one day longer just so we could, you know, have a little bit more time together. This morning, I actually went surfing with my dad. Again, this is my like 3rd day in a row, which is crazy. My body's a little bit sore, but we went this morning and the sunrise was so beautiful. It was so nice. Didn't have the best like surfing day ever, but it was still really nice to be out there. But now I have quite a bit of work I want to get done, and I could do work here, but I know I'm gonna get distracted, and it's also been a while since I've done like work at a coffee shop. So I'm gonna pack my little tote bag, charge my computer up. I have all the footage on here already. I imported it last night because I kind of knew that I wanted to do work somewhere else, because I'm at home a lot. So if I have an excuse to like go out and do something, then I will. I have about like 3 or 4 hours of footage that I need to edit, you know, add music, the effects, all those things that go into creating these YouTube videos for you, for me. But yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't done that in a while. I feel like when I lived in town, I used to do that a lot because there was a lot of coffee shops by me, because I literally lived right next to Ala Moana. So there was tons of places to do work, but there's not as many options where I live now. But there's an Island Vintage that's like kind of ish nearby, so I think I'm gonna do work there because they have really good coffee and really good food. Also really good matcha. We'll see what I'm feeling.